In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom sections in Slack. If you're like me and love to keep things organized, creating custom sections is a fantastic way to streamline your workspace. Whether you're handling multiple projects or coordinating with various teams, this feature will help you keep everything neat and tidy. To get started, you'll need to head over to your Slack workspace. Once you're there, look over to your sidebar where all your channels are listed. This is where you'll begin organizing your space. You'll want to click on the channel's header. That's typically found at the top of this list. By doing this, you're opening up the options to manage your channel view a bit more. Now, look for a little icon that resembles 3 dots. This icon can sometimes get overlooked, but it holds the keys to some useful options. Give those 3 dots a click. Once you've clicked the 3 dots, you'll notice a menu popping up with several options. From these options, you'll want to find and click on Create. This is the starting point for setting up your personalized sections. After clicking Create, you should see a new feature called Create Section. This is your next stop. Select this option to begin the customization process of your Slack workspace. At this point, you'll be prompted to type in the name of your new section. Choose a name that makes sense for your workflow or project. For example, sales, marketing, or any specific project name that your team is currently working on. This will appear on your sidebar and serve as a label for the related channels you choose to place in it. Once you've decided on a name and have typed it in, you're ready for the final step. Look for the Create button again and give it a click. Doing this confirms your new section and adds it to your list. And there you have it, a brand new custom section ready for you to organize. You can drag channels into this new section, ensuring each one has its proper place. It's all about making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Remember, Slack is all about making team communication easier, and these sections are an excellent tool to achieve this. You can create as many sections as you want, and you might even want to come back later to review or reshuffle your setup based on changing needs. That's it for today's tutorial on creating custom sections in Slack. If you found this helpful, make sure to check